Okay, we've got a straight line meeting a curve, looks like a circle to me, and the line intersects at point P and Q. Now the diagram is not meant to be accurate in any way, and indeed this might turn out to be an ellipse, but it doesn't matter. We've got a shape meeting a straight line at 2 points, and we're asked to find the midpoint of this line. So first of all, we need the coordinates of P and Q. Now the coordinates of P and Q can be found by just inserting the simpler equation, which is this equation 1, into the more complicated equation, equation 2. And to do that, we need to choose one of the variables, x or y, to make the subject. Let's make x the subject. So x is going to be equal to 3 plus y. And that value goes into this equation wherever we see an x. Okay, multiplying this bracket out and multiplying by 3, if you can do it all at once. So this is 27 plus 3y squared. I've got a 3y here and another 3y here, so that's 6y. 6y multiplied by 3, so this is plus 18y. Minus y squared plus 3y plus y squared. And this is equal to 9. 2 of the y squareds disappear, and the rest we've just got to gather up. Ultimately, we're going to push everything onto the left-hand side. Okay, so the y squareds first. I get 3y squared. Now the y's, I've got 18 plus a further 3, no others, so this is plus 21y. Now the numbers, I've got 27, take away 9, so this is going to be plus 18, and that's equal to 0. Please don't work with these high numbers. We can divide through by 3. And I think you'll see fairly quickly that y plus 6 and y plus 1 will be the factorization of that quadratic. So we've got two values for y. We've got y is equal to negative 6 and y is equal to negative 1. To find the x values, we need to substitute these separately into equation 1 up here. So if y is negative 6, x will be equal to negative 3. And when y is negative 1, x is equal to 2. So again, this will probably be coordinate geometry nonsense, but I'm just going to say that p is negative 3, comma, negative 6, and q is 2, comma, negative 1. So the midpoint of PQ, let's just look at the x journey. Again, this may not make any coordinate sense at all, but the x journey goes from negative 3 up to 2. So that's a journey of 5. But we only want a halfway journey. So this will be adding 2.5 to the lowest coordinate. So this is going to be negative a half. Now the y journey goes up from negative 6 to negative 1. That's also a journey of 5. So to get to the m point, we need to add 2.5 to negative 6. And I get negative 3.5. And that should be your answer.